So if you want all the functionality on your BMW, like remote lock and unlock, remote engine start, GPS tracking, remote control parking, and even digital key, we're gonna have to set up the My BMW app. All right, so to begin linking your BMW app to your vehicle, we're first gonna have to go to the App Store or Google Play Store. We're gonna search for My BMW. It's gonna look something like this. We'll go ahead and download it. After it's done downloading, we'll click open. We'll hit login or register, continue. Go ahead and hit register now at the bottom. And we're gonna go ahead and input all of our info. I'll just do that real quick. We'll go ahead and set our password. I just honestly recommend using the recommended password. Just easy to remember, and it always saves it. Accept the terms and conditions, hit register now, and we should be getting an email in our inbox soon. After we get that email, we'll click it. We'll look for this blue button that says activate your BMW ID. We're gonna go ahead and push that. We'll hit Chrome or whatever browser that you would like to use. Our BMW ID is active, so now we're gonna go back into the app, back to login. I'll update that password. Then, because I had it saved, I'll just hit that. Save my password as well, so I'll just go ahead and hit that. Just hit login. We'll accept some terms and conditions to use BMW Connected Drive services. Then we'll set a PIN for the app. Hit next, allow while using, next, allow. And then this will take you to your BMW home screen. So we're gonna go ahead and add our BMW. We will need our VIN for this step. So we'll go ahead and get this started. We're gonna have to input some more of our info here. So I'll go ahead and get this done real quick. All right, after you inputted your info, we'll hit send. Wait for the screen to load, and then it's gonna ask us for our VIN. So I just copied and pasted it, or I copied it, so I'm just gonna grab our VIN for our BMW X3M. We're gonna enter our VIN right here, so I'll just paste it, allow paste. Make sure it's 17 characters long, hit continue, accept the terms and conditions again, we're gonna agree. We're gonna make sure we are the primary user if it is your car, because you can have secondary users as well. Like if you have a significant other that's gonna be using the car as well, you can set them up to a key. But just make sure you're the primary user. We're gonna hit continue. Now it's gonna send a PIN to our car. So we're actually gonna have to go into the car. You will get a notification, but you can see right here, if you do need help finding that notification, you can press home or menu, select apps, then open BMW messages, and then your security code will be right there. Once you have that, then we can go ahead and input that right into our app. So our code is 172816, so we'll go ahead and confirm that. We are all set. We can see that the X3M has been added to our app, so we'll hit finish at the bottom. And as you can see, our BMW pops right up on our home screen. So we can obviously do, the things like checking our fuel level, locking, unlocking, pretty much have all of our remote services. But to use these features, we are actually gonna have to do one more thing. Can these freaking fire alarms but if we want to be able to use these, we're actually gonna have to do a couple more steps. So we're first gonna hit the profile symbol on the bottom right. We're gonna hit the settings symbol on the top right. We're gonna hit this blue scan button right here. And then we're gonna hit start scanning at the bottom. Now we're gonna have to go into our car. We're gonna have to bring up a QR code that we can scan, and that'll finish the linking process. All right, so now that we have the QR code scanner on our All right, so now that we have the scanner pulled up on our phone, we're gonna hop into the vehicle and bring up that QR code. Now, if you have iDrive 7, we're first gonna start by going to the home screen. You're gonna push the home or menu buttons. Then we're gonna go to car. We're gonna go to driver profiles, add driver profile on the right. Via My BMW app, it'll bring up our QR code. We're gonna scan that QR code with our phone. You can see it's loading our driver profile. I'll just transfer the current settings that I have that's saved on the vehicle right now. We'll continue. And now if you have had a BMW in the past, you can sync it with your other BMW. Sometimes it may work depending on the system as well as the type of car, but I'll just go ahead and sync it. We'll say continue. The key, I have one key with me right now. So by linking the vehicle key, it basically means that the key that I have with me right now, the one key, it'll link it to my driver profile. So all my driving settings, all my seat settings, my mirrors will all go to how I have it set right now based on that key. So now that we have that set, we're gonna go ahead and continue. We can set a PIN if we like. I'm not going to, I'm just gonna continue. And now you can see, hello Christian Matz. My profile is set up, so I'm no longer a guest in my own car. So if you do have iDrive 8 or 8.5, we can still bring out that QR code. It's gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna start by going to our home screen, just by pushing this little home button right here. or pushing this home button. We're going to click our applications page. We're going to hit BMW ID on the top left, add BMW ID, and you can see our QR code pops up right there. Sup, Rock Nation? You watching? We got Rocco. We got Rocco. What you eating? He's eating that public sub. So if you guys have any more questions, feel free to contact us at Furman BMW. Contact that dude right over there. He'll get you taken care of. With that said, we hope you have a great day from us here at Furman BMW. Thanks, guys.